dear! I'm so nervous. Jimmy is going to pass by here any minute. I want to tell him that I like him. Today's Valentine's Day. I'm scared. If he doesn't like me back. Oh, here he comes. Jimmy.
What?
I wanted to give you this card.
Are you kidding me? You are going to give me this card? You want to be my Valentine? Jennifer, I am sorry, my dear, but you are like Pepe Le Pew. I would never be your Valentine. You, my dear, are what we call in France, oblique. I don't want to be with an ugly girl on a Valentine. Sorry, dear.
No, I can't believe he made fun of me in front of the whole school. I have to be so ugly. Why? Why, God? Why did you make me so ugly? Nobody likes me. Nobody wants to be my friend. God, help me. Is the window open or something?
Wake up. Don't be afraid. I'm an angel sent from God.
An angel? Did I die for being ugly or something? What did I do? Why? Why here?
No, you didn't die. I'm here to help you see that someone loves you.
What? Love me? You're joking, right, Angel? That's not very nice of you, you know.
No, I'm not joking. Someone does love you.
I'm confused, Miss Angel.
See, Jennifer, God loves you.
How can he love me? I'm so ugly.
You're not ugly, Jennifer. God created you, and you're special. Think about it for a second. You're so special that God only made one of you. No one else is like you.
Hey, that's kind of cool. And that's so true.
That's right. So don't be sad if others haven't found God yet.
Angel, you're really confusing. Now what are you talking about?
Jennifer, God is love. So if Jimmy does not love you as a friend, it's because he does not have one.
Oh, I get it now. Boy, Angel, you don't like to make things simple, huh?
Remember, Jennifer, Jimmy might not love you as a friend now, but you can still love him. Jesus did the same for us. Many times we don't love Jesus, but he still loves us, and we should do the same.
You mean I have to be nice to Jimmy after all those mean things he said to me?
Yes.
Oh, great. Now she left. How am I going to deal with Jimmy? Oh, well, I guess I'll have to try to be nice. Hi, Jimmy.
What did you say?
I said hello.
Wow. You really surprised me, Jennifer. Even after all those mean things I said to you, you still say nice to me.
Yeah, I mean, I still want to be your friend.
Oh, I am sorry, Jennifer. You are not ugly. You actually are so beautiful. I was shy to tell you, you are the love of my life. Wait! Like we do in France. Sex is France. I can't really talk, so I do ventriloquism. That is for you, my dear. Oh, you drop the rose. What is wrong with you?
Sorry. Thank you
Good.
so much.
Hold on to that thing, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much for the rose.
You know, Jennifer,
Beautiful.
the light. Oh wait, I make a mistake. You are the match that lights up my fire. Yes. Now, I want to know. So you want to go skating with me?
Yeah, sure. I need to get my skates from home.
Don't worry, mon chéri. I shall go with you.
Okay.
Oh yes. We are going to have fun. Don't worry, I shall touch you.